Records on and let the music replace conversation.